I'm finna go get it for you though. Appreciate it.
They hold comfortable though.
Appreciate it, man. I tried to get a good quality. Look out, man. You check this one out right here, man. See if that fit, man. I done ran out of the largest, man. All I got this extra. Let me make sure that's extra large. That bitch do look big. Yeah, that's extra large. I got medium. All right. Who is that? Oh, okay. You gonna be right over here, right?
Yeah, right here.
All right. I'm finna go get it.
It goes to him. So
Oh, okay, okay, bet. Okay, I got you. 2X. Hey, y'all, watch this box over here, y'all. That's my boy in the box.
Hell yeah!
Hell yeah! Let it eat! Okay, so I need to go get what I need. Yeah, I did get it. I got it. I need to get a 2X. Oh, he's spinning.
Oh, Bondo.
So what I need, a 2X and a medium.
We gotta go to the races. Yeah.
2X and a medium.
God damn.
Look out. Oh, I need a 2X medium, and then I need to let Home Depot see this 1X. I think I'm supposed to get him one too. Damn. Yeah, that's who else I'm supposed to get. Oh, he's spinning. He ain't finna hook. Oh yeah, I do need it. Well, I got 3 boxes. Somebody recommended bringing out my merch. I got 3 boxes. Lane, toe him up, y'all. Huh? What size you said? You was 3X. Damn, I just had 3X too. Nah, it's still in the car. So I need a 3X. Yeah, I'm gonna remember now. Hey, let me get him. Hey, check this out. Look out. Who is that? Check this out. I got 1X. I'm out of Lord. I'll try to wait and get some more, but I need to at least look at it. Oh, you want a medium? I got medium. Okay, I got you. I got your medium. Bet medium, 3X. Huh? Okay, I'm getting out of it. I need 2 I got you. 2 mediums and a one. I got him over here need a medium. 2 mediums, a 3X and a 2X. 2 mediums, a 3X, a 2X and a 3X, y'all. So 2 mediums. I need 4 hoodies. I got you. 2 mediums, a 2X and a... Damn! Oh, shit! He almost lost every damn thing. Hey! Go back some more. You done ran over his phone. Hey! He going back forward. God damn. Oh, he turned his shit up, man. Allah chingada. Come up a little bit more. Oh, he stopped. Hey! Why he won't stop? Tell that motherfucker stop! Hey, get your... Oh shit! Oh, you got it already? God damn, man, you just scared everybody. Oh, that shit got
Nigga knocked out my hand.
God damn, I'm over here hard. Shit. You alright, man?
Yeah, he knocked out my hand.
God damn. Man, and then the glasses almost got
I don't
man.
give a damn about the
Shit.
Fucking phones out of people's hands.
God
Yeah, he knocked the phone out my hand.
God damn. He moved his hoe. Hold on, slow.
Oh, shit, left lane one. Damn, he ran him down.
Oh shit!
How the hell he run him
Hey,
down?
he got ran down.
I don't know how he ran him down, but he did that. Okay, bet. Let me go get these hoodies, y'all, while they got these stock things running. Excuse me. Who the hell it is? Oh, that's my boy, ain't it? I'm gonna put you out there with my boy. Hey. Oh shit, they go Nuke too. I'm gonna go get him. Oh yeah, that's a good thing. He done cut off. I'll be right back. Look at what size you wear. Extra large?
Yes, sir.
I got one right here for you.
Oh yeah.
What you want to do, man? I'm gonna let you get it on the Christmas special. Man, cause I know y'all see. So I got some people that support me all the
Hey,
time.
my son put you down the other day.
Yeah.
In Florida.
That
That's
was-
straight.
Yeah,
Yeah, and I tried to get in, but he wouldn't let me get in.
yeah. For my main supporters, I'm gonna let you do it on the 25 on that one for you, man.
You got change?
Yeah, I got change.
You got some?
Yeah, they equipped me with change
Already
today.
now.
Let me see what I need. A 5.
Yeah. No, you need
15?
15, bro.
Okay, here go a 5, and there go a 10.
Got you.
Thank you. Appreciate it, man. Already. Okay, now I need to go get.